How to add tags to photo for better organizers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on picture. So after click on picture, so if you want to add tags, so click on this three dot icon and click on details. So after click on details, so if you want to add tags for better organization, so click on add tags. So you will add tag from here. So and so after the process, click on save. You will see tags is add on picture. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can add tags to photos for better organization on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.